Modifying crops has been a strategy used by humans for thousands of years through selective breeding to enhance certain traits in crops. Now apply the same strategy to science and technology, and the result is the genetical modification of organisms, which are gene transfers between organisms. These gene transfers make life easier and healthier for farmers by decreasing their exposure to harmful pesticides and herbicides. For example, the creation of an insect-resistant tomato plant starts off by cutting an insect resistance gene from a bacterium and incorporating it into the plant cell. The tomato plant now has an insect-fighting gene which causes it to create its own natural pesticide. Its pesticide keeps insects away along with certain plant diseases. Since the tomato plant creates its own pesticides, it decreases the use of factory-made pesticides and herbicides, which in turn make the crops and farmers healthier since it limits their exposure to chemicals. As the world population continues to increase, so does world hunger. Genetically modified foods pose a solution to world hunger since it increases crop yields. Using different genes from bacteriums can solve problems that farmers face to grow crops. For instance, inserting a gene that allows the crop to survive with less water would decrease water use, which solves the problem of drought, decreases farmer spending on water, and increases use of dry land, which was of no use to farmers before. Also, inserting the gene that allows the crop to withstand high and low temperatures will allow farmers to grow crops any time of the year over a widespread area. Genetically modifying crops will decrease spending on water, pesticides, herbicides, and increase the amount of land use, which will lead to the increased production of crops. The increased crop yields will solve a long-term problem of world hunger. Not only limited to solving world hunger, GMOs can save lives. They can save lives by providing more nutrients to those who have nutrient deficiency. GMOs increase nutrients in crops by inserting vitamin genes. For example, golden rice has been inserted with a vitamin A gene, and therefore it can save lives of those who have vitamin A deficiency since it has increased vitamin A. GMOs provide more food with increased nutrients to starving third world countries. Now it's time to save lives and go pro GMO.